A US scientist stumped. China's secret prototype breaks physics. Imagine a machine so advanced it defies the laws of physics as we know them. A device so secretive that even the world's top scientists are left scratching their heads, unable to explain its mind-bending capabilities. Welcome to Revo Now, where we dive into the cutting-edge world of technology and innovation. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of China's latest technological marvel, a prototype that's sending shockwaves through the scientific community. Is it a hoax, a breakthrough, or something straight out of science fiction? Stick around to find out, because this is one story you won't want to miss. Hey, Revo Now fans! Before we dive deeper, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech breakthroughs. Your support keeps us bringing you the most jaw-dropping stories in science and technology, the buzz around China's secret prototype. In recent months, whispers have emerged from the global tech scene about a mysterious Chinese prototype that's reportedly challenging the very foundations of physics. Unlike previous breakthroughs, this isn't just about faster computers or smarter AI, it's about a device that seems to operate beyond the boundaries of known scientific principles. Words like quantum leap, impossible tech, and physics-defying are flooding online discussions, and US scientists are scrambling to understand what China has unleashed. This prototype, shrouded in secrecy, is rumored to be developed in one of China's high-security research facilities, possibly linked to their ambitious science and technology initiatives. The Chinese government has heavily invested in innovation, with programs like the 863 program and the strategy for rejuvenating the country through science and education driving advancements since the 1980s. But this latest project, it's on a whole new level. Some speculate it involves quantum mechanics, others point to exotic materials, and a few daring voices even suggest it could be tapping into unknown energy sources. The lack of concrete details only fuels the suspense. Why are US scientists stumped? The United States has long been a leader in scientific research, with institutions like MIT, Caltech, and Fermilab pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. So why are American researchers so baffled by this Chinese prototype? The answer lies in the limited information coming out of China. Unlike collaborative projects like the Ice Cube neutrino experiment, which involves global scientists, this prototype is tightly guarded. No peer-reviewed papers, no public demos, just tantalizing hints from insider leaks and cryptic statements from Chinese research circles. One theory is that the prototype leverages advancements in quantum technology. China has made significant strides in this field, with breakthroughs in quantum communication and computing. For example, their quantum satellite, MISHUS, demonstrated secure data transmission over thousands of kilometers. Could this prototype be an extension of that expertise, perhaps manipulating quantum states in ways that defy classical physics? Another possibility is the use of novel materials, like high-temperature superconductors, which could enable energy efficiencies or propulsion systems previously thought impossible. What's clear is that this isn't just a minor tweak to existing tech. The rumors suggest performance metrics, speed, energy output, or computational power that don't align with current scientific models. It's as if China has skipped several steps in the innovation ladder, leaving US scientists racing to catch up. The stakes are high. If this prototype is real, it could redefine industries, from energy to defense to computing. The science behind the speculation. Let's break down what we know about the physics that might be at play. While details are scarce, the buzz points to a few key areas. Quantum mechanics. Quantum technology is a hotbed of innovation. China's advancements in quantum entanglement and superposition could be the backbone of this prototype. Imagine a device that processes information not just faster, but in ways that defy linear time constraints. Such a leap could explain why scientists are calling it physics-breaking, exotic materials. China's research into materials science is world-class, contributing about 25% of global academic papers in the field. Could they have developed a new material with properties that challenge our understanding of energy transfer or conductivity? Think of graphene-like substances or metamaterials that manipulate light or electromagnetic fields in unprecedented ways. Energy innovations. Some speculate the prototype involves a novel energy source. China's work on fusion energy, like the experimental advanced superconducting tokamak, EAST, shows they're not afraid to tackle big challenges. Could this prototype harness energy in a way that seems to violate conservation laws, at least on the surface? These are just educated guesses, but they highlight why the scientific community is so intrigued. The prototype's capabilities, whatever they are, don't fit neatly into existing frameworks, prompting both excitement and skepticism. China's track record of innovation. To understand how China pulled this off, we need to look at their history of bold scientific moves. Since the Song dynasty, Chinese inventors have been at the forefront of technology, from the compass to gunpowder. Fast forward to today, and China's modern science ecosystem is a powerhouse. Over 100 science and technology parks, massive government funding, and a culture of indigenous innovation have propelled them to the top. In 2016, China became the world's leading publisher of scientific papers, and their high school students consistently dominate international science Olympiads. Recent examples include the 500-meter aperture spherical telescope, FAST, the world's largest single-dish radio telescope, and the Juno neutrino experiment set to launch in 2025. These projects show China's ability to tackle complex, high-stakes science. If this prototype is real, it's likely the result of decades of strategic investment and a willingness to take risks that others might shy away from. The global implications. If this prototype lives up to the hype, the implications are staggering. A breakthrough that defies physics could revolutionize energy production, making clean, limitless power a reality. It could transform computing, enabling machines that process data at unimaginable speeds. In defense, it might lead to technologies that shift global power dynamics. The fact that China is leading this charge raises questions about the future of technological supremacy. Will the US and other nations catch up, or is China setting the pace for the next century? But there's a flip side. Without transparency, the scientific community can't verify these claims. Is this prototype a genuine leap forward, or is it overhyped to project China's technological prowess? The lack of open collaboration, unlike global projects at CERN or Brookhaven, makes it hard to separate fact from speculation. This secrecy fuels both curiosity and caution. What's next for Revo now? We're just scratching the surface of this mystery. As more details emerge, Revo Now will be here to break it down for you. Will China reveal the prototype's secrets? Will US scientists crack the code? The answers could change the world as we know it. Stay tuned, because this story is far from over. What do you think about this physics-defying prototype? Is China on the verge of a scientific revolution, or is this all smoke and mirrors? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And let us know what you want to see next. More cutting-edge tech, deep dives into quantum mysteries, or maybe a look at the next big breakthrough from another corner of the globe. Your feedback shapes our content, so keep it coming. Thanks for watching, Revo Now fans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech stories. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future with Revo Now.